Hey, welcome to a very special holiday episode of Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. I'm your host, John Scanlon, and I have a very special guest from Pensacola Energy, our customer service supervisor, Tonya Morss. Tonya, thank you so much for being on the show today.
Thank you for having me.
So, tell everybody at home what special thing you're making.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Excellent. I can't wait to try them out. Stick around and find out how it's done. So Tonya, what ingredients are needed to make your chocolate chip cookies?
You need a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 1/4 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 2 eggs, and 2 sticks of butter.
Alright, so our oven's preheating to 350 degrees. So what's our first step in making the cookies?
We're going to mix our butter and our sugar and our brown sugar together.
Excellent. What's our next step?
We're going to add our vanilla and mix, and then we'll add each egg one at a time and then mix in between. And then we'll add our flour.
Okay, now we kind of slowly add our flour, or do you put it all in at one time, or how do you?
You slowly add it.
All right, now that that's blended, we're gonna add our favorite part next, right?
Right.
The chocolate chips. All right, Tonya, everything's mixed. The chocolate chips are in there. How do you go about putting them on this tray?
Take a fork and you scoop them out and place them about 1 inch apart on the cookie sheet.
There's no grease, there's no butter, there's nothing on this tray.
No, ungreased. Okay, now we'll put them in the oven about 10 minutes, but I'm really looking for them to just be a light brown color.
All right, while our chocolate chip cookies are baking in the oven, we're gonna put together a real quick at-home hot cocoa mix. This recipe calls for a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 4 cups of milk, our garnishes, which are mini marshmallows and mini candy canes, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, our first step, we're gonna add our 4 cups of milk over medium-low heat. Now once that milk gets warm, we're gonna add in the cocoa powder and the sugar, whisk it in, and then throw our chocolate chips in, whisk that until they're melted. All right, so the hot cocoa is done. We're gonna pour it into our mugs. We're gonna garnish it, and the cookies are smelling just about done. So that's pretty much it. We got hot cocoa with mini candy canes, mini marshmallows, and we got fresh chocolate chip cookies. I'm ready to dig in. Let's try a cookie, Tonya. That's fresh, not too dry, and I guess let's try the cocoa as well. Very chocolatey. So we hope you enjoy this episode of Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. We wanted something real quick, real simple that you can enjoy at home over the holidays as you're decorating a tree, watching movies, just spend time with your family. Definitely give this a shot. It's real easy to make the cookies, really easy to make the cocoa. And make sure you like and subscribe to this page. You'll see a lot more recipes coming up. We have a lot of things planned for 2022. And again, Tonya, thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you.
This was awesome. We'll see you next time on Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites.